Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee. Embrace the ixamBee learning experience. In this video, we are going to discuss important questions for NICL, NIACL and PFRDA grade IT exam. So these questions will be helpful for your preparation. So before starting this video, let's have some bit of motivation. We have multiple candidates selected in SEBI grade A, RBI grade B, NABARD grade A and in IUPAC SO and many more exams. So our students trust our strategy and they have make it to the government job. You can be the next person, so stay tuned with us. Now let's start the video. As the first question from operating system, which scheduling algorithm can lead to a starvation if high priority processes keep arriving? So the answer is priority scheduling, that is option C. So in priority scheduling, if a stream of high priority tasks keep arriving, then low priority ones might never get a CPU time, and that's a starvation. Let's move to the options. In FCFS, it avoids starvation but can have something called Conway effect. Then shortest job next can causes long jobs to wait. And in round robin, it is fair for every process, for long one and the short one. The multi-level queue can also have a starved processes if queue are not scheduled fairly. But again, the classic example will be the priority scheduling, which is non-primitive. Then the next question is from DBMS, which normal form removes transitive dependency in a relation? So the correct answer is third error. So in transitivity dependency, it means if attribute A depend on B and B depend on C, and C will depend on A. Let's move to the options. First normal form ensures the atomic values. Second normal form ensures the no partial dependency. Third normal form we have already discussed. The BCNF is strictly then 3NF. Then 4NF will be dealing with the multi-valued attributes or dependencies. Now the next question is from networking. In OSI model, which layer is responsible for end-to-end delivery of data? So the correct answer is transport layer, because the transport layer have two protocols, that is TCP and UDP protocols, that ensure your data is delivered from sending one application to the receiving application reliably and in the right order. Let's move to the option. Physical layer is responsible for bit representation. Data link layer is responsible for node-to-node delivery. Network layer is responsible for path delivery, but it doesn't guarantee the delivery. Then the session layer manages the conversation, or you can say that the dial-up connections. It does not move the data itself. Then the next question is from data structure. What is the worst case time complexity of searching an element in the balanced binary search tree? The correct answer would be option B, log n. The balanced BST keep their height small, so you only travel a logarithmic number of levels when you are searching, where this one can directly access the array. In log n, it usually happens in the unbalanced tree. The n log n or n square are used for shortings, and it is kind of inefficient cases that is not used for searching. Now the next question is from object-oriented programming. Which object-oriented concept allow a subclass to provide a specific implementation of a method already defined in its superclass? So the correct answer would be option B, overriding. So overriding basically changes the behavior of an inherited method at runtime, whereas overloading is a compile time process. It will have same name with different parameters. Now the abstraction, it hides the details. The encapsulation, it's bind the data and the methods together. In inheritance, it allows us to reuse our code. The next question is from programming in C. There is a code given. So the output of a code, here you can see that a variable is defined as a equals to 1, and then you have printed that element, that is a plus 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 a plus plus a. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be the undefined behavior. Why? Because we are modifying a twice in one expression and without defining any order, which is not a standard, so we cannot predict what will happen. Some compiler might give you 12, some compiler might give you 13, also 11. There is no fixed rule. Okay, so that will be your undefined behavior, but it will compile the program, no error will be generated. That's why this will not be an answer. The correct answer will be undefined behavior. Now the next question is from SQL. In SQL, which of the following is true about inner join? So the correct answer is option B, return only row that have matching value in the both tables. So in case of inner join, it return row where join condition is being satisfied. Now the next question is from software engineering, that is which SDLC model is best suited when requirements are not clear and may changes frequently. So the correct answer would be the spiral model. Basically, spiral model combines the prototypes and the iterations also with the risk analysis. So it will be perfect model when the requirements are changes frequently. Let's move to the options. Waterfall model and the V model are kind of rigid models because we cannot change it by whenever we want. The incremental model is kind of flexible model, but it also required the stable requirements. The Big Bang model is just building without any planning. So it is a kind of a high risk model. Now the next question is from web technology. Which HTTP status codes indicate that requested resource has been permanently moved to the new URL? So the correct answer would be D, that is 301. So let's move to the option first. 200 means okay. 301 means to moved permanently. It means the search engine will update the links. In 302, it means the temporary redirection is being performed. The case of 404 means not found. And the 500 means internal server error. Let's move to the next question, which is from computer architecture. In the pipeline processor, which hazard occurred when an output of an instruction is needed by the instruction before it has been computed? So the correct answer would be data hazard. Data hazards follows the read after write dependencies, where the structure hazards is a hardware conflict. The control hazard is a branch related conflict. Then memory hazard is not a standard pipeline term. The resource hazard is just another name of a structural hazard, which is a hardware conflict. Let's move to the next question. It is from artificial intelligence. Which NLP technique is used to reduce words to their root form? Correct answer is lemmaization. It finds the dictionary roots considering the grammar it is being used. In the tokenization, it split the text into the pieces. The stop word removal just delete the common words. And the POS tagging, it marks the part of speech. Then NER, named entity recognition, it identifies name of people, place and organization from that language. So this is all about this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you are preparing for NICL exam, so we are also providing a course for NICL AOIT, in which you will get the video lessons, study notes, live out classes, MCQ booklets which will be helpful for your preparation. Also you will get the concept check questions, chapter test and mock test. Other than NICL AO, one more organization has also released the notification, that is PFRDA. So we are also providing the course for PFRDA grade A IT. Pedagogy for this will be the same. Then other than this, we have expert session which are designed to help you prepare 50% faster, and also our mock test which we have designed are completely based on the actual exam pattern. Also, if you need help in the general awareness section, so we have a BPDR which is completely free PDF. You can download it from general awareness section from our website. So this is all about this video. Thank you. Prepare 50% faster with the ixamBee.